Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to check the width of an element in Canva. This is a quick and reliable way to make sure your design elements are consistent, aligned, and sized exactly the way you want them, especially helpful when you're creating product images, banners, or ads for your Shopify store where spacing and proportions really matter. Start by opening your project in Canva. You should be on the main canvas where your design is laid out. Now click on the element whose width you want to check. This could be a shape, an image, a text box, or any other object on your design, like a button or product badge. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it, which confirms you're working with the right item and not the background or another layer. Next, look up to the top toolbar. You'll find an option labeled Position. Go ahead and click that. This button gives you access to alignment tools and, importantly for us, the size details of the item you've selected, which is where you'll find the exact width measurement instead of guessing by eye. As soon as you click Position, a small panel will open on the left side of your screen. Inside that panel, you'll see the width of your element clearly displayed. It's typically shown next to the height, often labeled as W for width and H for height. The value may appear in units like pixels, inches, or millimeters, depending on your document settings. This makes it easy to match widths across multiple elements or designs. If you see both numbers, focus on the one labeled width. That's the exact measurement of the selected element as it currently appears on your canvas. If you're not seeing the width right away, double-check that only one element is selected. When multiple items are selected, Canva shows the combined selections, which might not be what you want. Clicking once on a single element brings up the accurate width for that specific object, which is especially useful when you're standardizing layouts. Also, if your element is part of a group, the width you see will reflect the entire group rather than a single item inside it. A quick tip: if the position option isn't visible at first glance, make sure the element is selected and give the toolbar a moment to update. Canva's interface can shift slightly based on your window size and the type of element you're working with, but the position control will be there once the item is selected. And that's it. By selecting your element, clicking Position on the top toolbar, and viewing the small panel on the left, you can instantly check the width of any item in your design. Keep this process in mind whenever you want precision and consistency across your layouts. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!